Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to change the fill hose on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the fill hose is damaged or broken, causing water to leak out of it. For this repair, all we'll be using is a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around. Make sure you turn your water off. And once we've turned our water off, we can use our channel locks to unscrew the water inlet hose from the water line. And you're also going to want to make sure that you've got a towel or maybe a bucket handy, because when you do this, there is most likely going to be a bit of water still in that line, and it's going to come out once you loosen up the connection. Yeah, just like that. And now I'll just carefully set this down into my bucket. And there's that one. Yeah, I can set that down as well. And now we'll remove the hose from the back of the washer. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement water hoses, and if you don't have them already, you can find them on our online store. This particular pair of hoses is 6 feet long, and they're nylon. The next thing you want to do is just make sure that there's a rubber gasket inside of your new hose. If it doesn't have one for some reason, you can get one out of your old hose, but these should all have them included in the bag. So you're going to plug your hose that you want to be cold into that blue one. Tighten it up by hand as much as you can. Then grab your channel locks. Tighten it up the rest of the way. Same thing with this other hose. You got your red connection here, and so you're gonna just hook up the hose that you want to go to the hot water onto that. Tighten it up by hand as much as you can, and finish it up with the channel locks. So now we'll hook up our fill hose to the water line, and we'll again tighten it by hand all the way. And you want to make sure that you're hooking up the correct hose. So if you're hooking up your hot one like we are right now, just make sure wherever it's marked on the water line that you're hooking it up to the proper connection. And now we'll finish tightening it again with our channel locks. Now this is our cold water line, and we're hooking it up to our cold water. And once you've hooked up both of those lines and got them tightened all the way, you can turn your water on and make sure there's no leaks anywhere. And once you've done that, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.